Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Python environment and the package name. Run Python version, then pip list to spot the exact package string. Capitalization must match. If you use a virtual environment, activate it now so you remove the package from the right site packages. Once done, make sure pip points to the Python you expect. Pip version shows the interpreter path, and that avoids uninstalling from the system Python by mistake. You execute pip uninstall package name to remove the library. This command deletes installed files and metadata. If a confirmation prompt appears, type Y or pass Y to automate. Once the command completes, run pip show package name or pip list to confirm absence. If pip show returns nothing, uninstall succeeded. Make sure you use the same pip tied to your environment, otherwise the package might remain in another Python installation, which causes confusion later. You finish by checking site packages for stray folders or egginfo, delete those manually if safe. If pip reports conflicts or partial removals, reinstall the same version then uninstall again to let pip clean up. If problems persist, run python mpip uninstall package name using the desired Python executable to ensure the correct interpreter is targeted. One key tip: when commands disagree, always verify pip version to confirm which Python is being affected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.